Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can convert cryptocurrency on KuCoin app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular KuCoin app on your phone, and right afterwards simply wait till you can skip this particular ad. And from over here you're gonna first go to this profile icon on top, tap on login, scan your face ID and login. Then you're gonna go back, cross this out first, and go to this option of trade at the bottom, and you're gonna simply switch to convert on top right. Now from over here you're gonna find this option of pay and get estimated. You can choose this limit option as well, which will simply give you the conversion rate as well. We're going to switch to market for now. Enter your amount right over here. Since I do not have that balance, I'm just gonna do whatever I do, it doesn't matter. And you're gonna simply choose from USD to AVE or AVE to Bitcoin or whatever you would like. And then once you enter the amount, it will be simply get estimated. Tap on enter amount, and then you will be able to simply convert that the other one that is selected. That easily you can do. But in everything to use here on the service on KuCoin, you have to simply verify yourself. Simply complete the verification and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.